Alrighty boys, Kevin here in the Humble Garage, and today I'm finally doing the dog bone mount on my MK7 GTI. I've had it in the garage for absolutely ever. In fact, I actually have two different model dog bone mounts because I didn't know which version my vehicle took. I looked it up online, some of the forums, and I didn't really get a clear answer, so I ordered both, and I'm going to be returning the non-fitting one. So, got the car up on some Rhino ramps right now. I'm going to go ahead and get under there, and we'll get this install going. Alright, so what I got out here is a 21mm socket on a very long breaker bar because you're going to need something with some leverage because it's on there pretty tight. And then I also have a crawler, which is really nice. I'll have links to all this in the description below, as well as the toolkit that I have over here, which has been an absolute godsend, has everything I need, and it really wasn't that expensive. Alright, let me contortionist myself around here. So right there, that is what we're going to be removing, that bolt right there, and then the dog bone insert goes right in there, and then you tighten the bolt back down, a little grease on there, and install is done. Man, that stock exhaust needs to go. Look at all that restrictive bullshit down there. Hate to see it. Alright, so this is the big old bolt that comes out of there. You definitely are going to need yourself some kind of a long breaker like that because you need something with some leverage and you need a little bit of muscle. Alrighty boys, just slipped right in nice and snug, and I'm about to tighten this bolt down and we'll be good to go. I guess I gotta used to be underneath the getting used to being underneath the GTI because I'm gonna be doing the downpipe pretty soon, and eventually the IS-38 turbo swap, so I'm gonna need to get used to this position. Alright, easy day boys. Worked up a little sweat under there, but overall really easy install. It took me about 5 minutes and I was kind of dicking off a little bit. So super straightforward, super easy, but you do need that long ratchet brake in order to get it loose. But anyway, I'm going to get it off the ramp here and take it for a quick spin and see if it eliminates or reduces that wheel hop. I think eventually when I go up in power to like stage 3, I'm probably going to end up getting the whole, not just the dog bone insert, but the whole pendulum mount, which is a lot more reinforcement.